Shantui SD22 Bulldozer stands out as a trusted and versatile choice in the Indonesian market. Renowned for its proven performance across diverse applications such as mining and infrastructure, it has remained as a cornerstone of reliability for decades. Shantui SD22 comes with a powerful direct injection, turbocharged, easy maintenance command engine with a horsepower of 235 horsepower. Shantui takes pride in producing all transmission system components internally for the SD22 Bulldozer, encompassing the torque converter, the box, and the other essential parts. Shantui, the world's largest manufacturer of crawler chassis and China's top heavy equipment brand, produces all undercarriage components for the dozer in-house. Crafted from heat-treated, heavy-duty steel plates, our undercarriage boasts exceptional durability, complemented by heavy-duty funnel drives. Featuring a modular design with minimal welded components, our equipment ensures extended lifespan and ease of serviceability. 7 wear-resistant track rollers on each side for effective load distribution. A total of 41 track shoes on each side. Longest track grounding length of 3050mm. And wider track shoes of 660mm, yielding to larger grounding area of 38.317 square centimeters, helps SD22 develop the highest traction force in its segment. Lowest grounding pressure of 66 kPa to increase stability and performance on swamp grounds. Thank you.